Hello. If you wanted to wear color eyeliner, but you thought that maybe it was too bold, too hard to put on, or that it would smudge away, disappear in your hooded eyes, then this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you super easy smudge-proof eyeliner looks using Revant. This is the gel eyeliner. It's their intense color. These techniques work on hooded, downturned, and mature eyes. First of all, when you're picking an eyeliner color, you want to ask yourself, are you wanting a bolder look, something that's going to really make your eyes pop? Or are you going for a more subtle look? So for a low contrast, more subtle look, you want to go for a shade that is similar to your eye color. For example, I have brown eyes, so for a more subtle look, I'm going to pick a brown eyeliner. If I want something that's going to make my eyes pop and a little more high contrast, I want to go the opposite color on the color wheel. So for brown, I'm going to go more for a navy or green to really make my brown eyes pop. If you have green, you want to go for a purple if you want to make them pop. If you have blue eyes, more brown colors are going to make your eyes pop. One color that I don't know if I've ever tried actually is a gray. For this look, we're going to use a small slanted brush. And instead of applying directly to the lash line, I'm going to apply this onto the brush to the lash line as I can, almost in the lashes. And we're just going to press and wiggle. And I'm going to flip the brush when I get towards the end and have it to where the point is that way, and I'm just going to angle it. I'm not flicking it up, but I'm just going to angle it up again so I don't get any downward turn. And then if you see anywhere where you feel like you need a little bit more, just go back and push and wiggle. So again, we're just going to paint the brush. Now, if you wanted to bring this on the lower lash line a little bit, you can do the same technique and just kind of push it in. For this look, I'm going to be using the color Navy, and this is going to be the lifting wing. Find the natural lash line and go along that as close to the lashes as possible. And when we get to the end, just kind of flick it up. Kind of just flick it up with the brush, kind of flick it inward, just kind of smudge it inward. But as you'll see, when I do it that way, I seem to get a little bit of a thicker hand. So now I'll take that same brush. As I was taking off the blue, I realized that it was a little bit messy. So, you know, you might just want to get a little bit closer to the line. I just realized that one eye was kind of messy. And that brings me to want to say that I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm just somebody who loves to play with makeup and fashion. So I hope that if you are like me and you just want to explore, play around with makeup, that you will hit that subscribe button and join me here. And I want to show you what it is like to try different techniques, use different products as just being a normal girl, a normal woman, and not a professional makeup artist. So just wanted to say that because I know it kind of looked a little bit messy. But we're going into purple. And for this one, I just wanted to show you if you're just going to draw it in on just normal draw. These go on super easy, just kind of glide. And this one I'm not going up or anything. Oh, actually I should zoom you in. So this one I didn't go up or anything at the end, and I didn't go all the way to the end because I don't want any downturned. And then I'm just going to take a flat kind of smudge brush and just kind of smudge it out. So if you wanted to, you could add kind of a shimmer shade over this, or you could add kind of a lighter purple shadow. You could even do an orangish copper color. I like that color. And yeah, these like don't smudge out a huge amount to where they'll get all over and get messy, but if you work quickly, you can smudge it out a little bit. Now, if you wanted to get even more color, you could go on with another layer. Does have more than just the gel eyeliners. And just to let you know, I do have a discount code. If you want to save 10% off anything on their website, you can use the code StaciD10. I will have all the information listed down below. And the thing that I like about this company is that they are all about pro aging. I mean, we want to look our best, but we don't have to pretend or try to strive to look 20 again, do we? They do have the eyeliners, eyebrow pencil, and a new blush stick that I want to try soon. But again, I will have all that information listed down below. And up next, I'm going to show you what the green looks like. Also, just quick little thing. If you want to see, they also do have black and brown eyeliner. And if you want to see those compared, I did do a video just on the black versus brown eyeliner. That's why I'm not including the brown in this video. But if you stay until the end, that will pop up next, or it'll be down in the description box. And if you want to do an eyeliner and you don't want to use brushes, glide this on. Always get it thicker on that eye. If you just want quick, don't want to have to blend it in, don't want to have to mess with any of that, you can just glide this on and go. If you wanted to put a little bit underneath, I'm just going to go about halfway. Now, of course, you could go on your waterline with any of these. I just personally, I've never been able to, like, I've tried to wear contacts and it didn't work. I don't like touching my eye. I mean, I don't know who does, but you know what I mean? Like, it just kind of creeps me out. So I've never really been one that loves to do the waterline. I like how it looks, but that's why I haven't done on the waterline in any of these looks. But let me put on mascara so you can see the finished green look. What color is your favorite? Now, bonus, let's say we want to build this up even more. We want this green to really pop. So let's add, we're going to add a little bit more of the green. I'm just going to go a little bit higher. You just want a little bit more. See how just adding kind of another layer, and I just went up above, a little bit above where this line is. And again, I'm not tugging on my eye or anything. I'm just gliding this on. There you go. So that is with just, I have just the base shadow on and an eyeliner and mascara. No fussing with brushes or anything like that. And you can get this look. What do you think?